Imagine being able to create 1 month or weeks worth of content within 30 seconds. Meanwhile, this is something that would have taken you hours or even days to create. But because you are using a fabulous and amazing tool, you can be able to create these contents within 30 seconds. And of course, you are going to be doing this with an artificial intelligence inside one of our favorite apps, Canva. Now, you must know, Canva recently released a bunch of AI tools that you can use to create a host of beautiful content ideas. I'm going to be showing you an illustration, but bear in mind that this is a game changer in the world of content creation. Hi, my name is Juliet, and this channel is all about teaching you minor digital hacks that will be so useful to you if you're a content creator, business owner, or whatever. Okay? Like I said, Canva released a bunch of AI tools that can help you achieve anything, whether you're a content creator, whether you want to build a flyer, a logo, create an image, whatever it is you want to create. Okay? These tools are there for you, and most of them are absolutely free. So let me show you. Now, right on the Canva homepage, we go ahead and click on this AI icon here. Now, these are the templates of the things that you can use. I think I like this white template. I will choose this and I will simply edit the write-ups into the content that I want. I've been able to type down my prompt and it says, my sister has a baking business. She bakes cake and cookies and adds ice cream to it. The name of her brand is Baked with Love. I want you to help her create a 30 days content for her social media platforms, which is Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Okay, this is the prompts I have given to this particular AI tool. So I will simply send it. Have you seen this? It has automatically given me a 30 days content creation ideas that she can use for her social media platforms. This is absolutely amazing. And this is something we can get straight up from Canva. Amazing. Straight from one of our favorites tools, Canva, and absolutely free. Now, there is something else I want to show you. In case you do not feel like typing or you want to just put up your prompts as fast as possible, you can use this microphone over here and voice out your prompt instead of typing it. Okay, so I will show you exactly what I mean. That's just it. Hi, can you also give us promo sales ideas that we can use for Baked with Love? It will be starting on the 1st of July and ending on the 3rd of July. Thank you. Did you see that the AI was able to catch my voice and everything that I have said, and it has put it into writing for me? So I will simply send it and see what it will give us. Ooh, I love this. Are you seeing this? On the first one, sweet starts to July. Buy one, get one free. Ice cream add on. Oh, these are all amazing ideas that you one can use to push up the business. Now, this doesn't only apply to businesses. It can apply to your studies. It can apply to your everyday life, planning your meals, whatever it is you want these AI tools to do for you. They will definitely do it. Okay, there is more. But before we proceed, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share this video so that other people can benefit from it and it also help my channel grow. Okay, thank you. Now imagine being able to create an image with Canva. Okay, okay, let's go back. Let's start all over again and see how good it can generate images for us. Okay, I will simply click on this template here, which is titled image. And because we do not want the image the AI has given us originally, we will create our own image. Okay, I will come here and describe the image that I want. I will use the microphone instead. And I will say, hi, kindly create an image for me. I want an image of an African mother carrying her child behind her with a wrapper. Okay? I want the African mother to be a mother of twins. She is trying to navigate carrying the child behind her and also lifting up the other one from the floor. Let the time frame of this particular image be something around the 80s and 60s. Okay? So I would simply edit a little and send. I'm super excited about this particular one because you know what that means? Ah, these, oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. I love it. Now, the third image, this is beautiful. They are looking so real. Oh my word. CANVA has done it again. This is a game changer, guys. Imagine what you can do with these tools if you are writing African stories on YouTube. These are looking so real. They are so real. Okay, let's check out another tool. We will go back and click here. Okay, let's check out this design template and see how it's going to be. I will click on it. And as usual, I will want to generate my own templates, okay? As usual, I will also click on the microphone. Hi, again, can you help me generate a 2 pages template on creating beautiful designs with AI on Canva? Now, I will want to post these particular designs as short videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you. I'll go ahead and send. I am definitely going to post this on my short videos. What? I love them. They are so cute. Can you help me turn them into the size of a YouTube short story? Guys, if you see what I did, I asked the AI to help me turn these particular designs into the size of a YouTube short story, and this is what I have. Come on. I love it. I absolutely love this particular one because you know why? This is something that will help me be able to generate short videos within a space of 30 seconds. And this is a game changer for me because I'm going to post this templates. I'm going to post them. Guys, if you're loving this already, kindly subscribe to my channel for more beautiful and mind-blowing content like this. Okay, like and share this video. So if I want to save these designs, all I have to do is just click on them. Click on it. That's not what happened. It's free of charge. Okay. Are you seeing? Canva will automatically save this among the projects that you have done on this app. Perfect. Between Canva and ChatGPT, which one do you think is a smarter AI? Meanwhile, I have a video or videos on how you can also use AI from ChatGPT. Okay? So if you want to explore, you can just take a peek. And believe me, these videos are comprehensive enough. You don't want to miss it. So how about you watch now? Take advantage of these tools before they are no longer free. Okay? I'll see you around in my next video. For now,